Good morning, student. This is the video of Class 5th, Subject Science, Chapter 1, Reproduction in Plants. Lecture 1. I am your teacher, Miss Hina. This is the video of solution of homework, which I have given you in Lecture 1, Activity 1. This is the solution of that activity. You can see on your screen that these potatoes have small bird on it. In that activity, you were asked to take a potato and cut an eye or bird from it with the help of your elder. Then, like this you have to cut and then you have to put it in moist soil. Then you will see small plants will come out of this bird, and under the ground fruit will be there, means more potatoes will be there. Thank you.